Hello world! As we all know, Sushmita Sen is an acclaimed Indian actress and model who made history in 1994 by becoming the first Indian woman to win the Miss Universe pageant. Following his historic beauty pageant victory, she transitioned into a highly successful career in Bollywood, films, and critically acclaimed streaming series. In an interview at Times Entertainment, Roman showed he is from Kashmir but was born and brought up in Nainital. He did his schooling there and went to Dehradun to study engineering. His last year of college, he was introduced to modeling by a friend. 5 years later, he came to Mumbai, and 2 years later, he met Sushmita. He recalls adding everything in my life changed after that. As outsider, have a certain perception about a star's life, but when you stay with them, you realize that it's a lot of hard work. On a personal level, changed me. I started taking things seriously. I started respecting life more, both mine and others. When I started modeling, I wanted to be a star, but now I have different plans. I wanted to venture into business eventually, but for now, I want to stick to modeling as that makes me happy. Being famous is not on my wish list anymore. Ask what made him fall in love with her and if he is still starstruck, and Roman replies, I still am. When I wake up in the morning and look at her, I think, oh God, I am so lucky. Sushmita is not just a person, he is a vibe. It takes time to understand her, but when you do, you are bowled over. The way she thinks will make you marvel at how beautiful her mind is. She will make seemingly impossible predictions, and in 2 days it happened. She feels for everyone. I can write a book about her. Roman says that their 15 years age gap has never bothered him. Men look for maturity as they are not mature enough at any age. When a strong woman enters your life, you realize that you are also capable of much more. She transforms you into a man. Credit to all the owner of the videos. Lovely day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.